popped. Oh. Oh, this guy's a monster. Oh man. Teton shrimp. Oh yeah, this is the big one. This is the one I've been waiting for. Oh yes. Come on, give me the final bite. This is it, guys. Number 5. So turns out, if this is caught on the Teton, then the Teton catches the bigger fish. The cut plug gets the lake trout, but the kokanee goes to Teton. Oh, it is. It is a large size. Oh yes! Oh man! The large size goes to Teton. Oh, and it's starting to spawn too. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whew. There it is, guys. The Teton Wonder Bread again. Oh man, it strikes. Oh man. Oh yes, that's what we came for. Oh guys, look at that. I barely had it on. I almost lost that guy. Oh man, right on the corner of the mouth. Oh, I'm gonna have to weigh this guy. This guy might be the PB for this lake for me. There it is, guys. Nice looking kokanee. Oh, number 5. All right, let's go for breakfast. There it is. That's the color right there. The pink and the yellow. Oh, right there, boys and girls. Woohoo! Oh, yes! That's it. Okay, now I know. If you want the Lakers or small kokanee at this lake, you use the cut plug. But if you want the bigger kokanee, just like last night for my daughter, we use the Teton shrimp. Oh yes. All right guys, check you guys out on the next bite.